Alright, hey everyone. Today we're going to do an unboxing video. This is something that is probably going to be one of the hottest items in 2018 for model railroading for HO scale. So without further ado, myself and my lovely assistant here are going to get started in doing an unboxing. The only thing that I've done so far is just took out the mailing information. I cut a little square out of the box. Other than that, this just came today and haven't even opened it. So here we go. I'm going to tilt this down so you can see it, and we're going to get started. Alright. So here's what we're going to do now. We're just going to take a little cut here. And let's see. I'm going to tilt this down a little more. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Alright, so we're going to put a little cut in the side of the box here. Alright. Now we're going to cut it down this way. Alright. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, alright, and here we go. We're going to go ahead, start to undo it, and let's see. Alright, here we go. Go ahead and continue. Alright, so there's the peanuts, and we got some of the bubble wrap there coming out. Alright, now let's pull that out. Alright, hold on to it good. Don't worry about the peanuts falling on the ground. That's okay. We'll clean them up. Just don't drop it. Alright, put that up there. Alright, so it's an Athearn Genesis locomotive. Flip it up. Union Pacific. Spirit of the Union Pacific. Building America. Athearn Genesis. Alright, so now what we got to do is we're going to take the top off. It should... There you go. Just what you got to pull it straight. It's got to kind of come up straight up and down. Let me try to help you there a little bit. Let me come around this side. You getting it? Alright, work on the other end of the box here. Get the other end up. Alright, there you go. You got it. Alright, so slow down. Let's take a good look here. Alright, so we got some paperwork here that came with it, right?
Yep.
Alright, let's move that aside. Take that up. Look at that.
That's beautiful.
What is it?
It's beautiful.
Alright, let me try coming around here. Alright, so take a look at this. Alright. So we're gonna work on getting this out of the boxing here. Alright, just alright, everyone hold tight. I'm gonna reposition the camera here. Alright, so I'm going to help you here with this.
Alright. Take this side out.
Put this up here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to slide this out of here. Let's get this off of here. Hold on. Nice and easy. Let go.
Pick it up.
Okay.
You have to pick.
Okay, it's got to break off on this end here, I think.
Oh. It comes out right there. What's the point?
There it is. Let's pull this up here.
Yeah.
Like that. You know which one this is?
No. I'm gonna get it to Freedom Street. one?
No, we were just looking at this one the other night. Remember?
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah,
All right, everyone. There it is.
Daddy, this is a part of the trick.
Okay, put it down. There it is, everyone. The Union Pacific, Spirit of America, number 1943, by Athearn Genesis. Get a close-up look of it there. Beautiful locomotive. All right. So that's all I have for the unboxing video today. I'll probably get a video of this thing in operation probably later this week or maybe by next weekend. So thanks for watching, everyone. Say bye.
Bye.